Pay attention to each of the sculptures that are made from recycled and reused products. The underwater sea experience was put together by my advanced art students, 8th grade, and we've had it up and on exhibit for the last 6 weeks. Each of my students was part of creating the scenery and the placement and the setting of walking underwater and having an opportunity to be involved in showcasing all of our sculptures created by our 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade students. Toilet paper rolls used for sea anemones. So the entire purpose of this project is to educate you on the importance of eliminating or cutting back on the amount of plastic so that we can save our oceans.
I learned that since how we're destroying our ocean and the environment, we're not going to have the same privileges that we do now later on when we're older.
I used a lot of shoe boxes and water bottles, and over it I cut out styrofoam sheets and taped it and hot glued it onto here.
The materials and the plastics that we're buying fish are mistaking them for food, and they're eating them and they're dying.
Something I found interesting of the exhibit was that they used pool noodles to make coral reefs around it, and then they stuck on a toothpick to make it stand up, and I really like that. And some of the fishes, they use a knife, a fork to make the whole thing different. It was all use recycled things. And the QR code shows all those facts to me in 2050 that the trash island will be bigger than the United States.
You think of this as just art and just people bringing all this stuff together using only artistic talent, but a lot of it connects to, math, science, and a lot of other things. Math, for example, used to scale out the walls and scale out the amount of paper needed for the walls. Science just being the backbone of this all, the reasoning for why we're doing it. And so it's very inclusive, not just to art, but to a lot of subjects at this school. It's very expansive.
We want to put an impact on our students, along with our community, sharing with them the importance of eliminating and cutting back on the amount of plastic we use and the effects that that has on our ocean life.